What?
Outside.
Outside? What do you like to eat?
Green.
Green? Is that your favorite color? How many sisters do you have?
Green.
How old are you, Emma?
Green.
How many toes do you have?
Green.
Say hi. Hi. Hi, sweet baby. Yes, you're a smiley little girl.
Emma. Mary. Emma. Mary. Baby.
Good.
Baby.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Then I'm going to work. I'll see you later.
Oh. Did you have a car accident?
I'm going to work. Going to work. Yeah. I'm going to work. A, B, C, D, E, F, D, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next I want to sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, D, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, a deer, a female deer, is ever gonna send me a name? I called myself Bob. Need a golden friend. Need a golden soul. See, a drink tattered bread. A deer, a female deer. I called myself Wild One. So drink that breath is far.
Kirsten Shea, are you gonna roll over? Yes? You can do it. You can do it. You're big and strong.
I'm gonna watch Kirsten's eyes.
Oh. There she goes. Good job, baby Kirsten.
I don't need to see it.
Whee! You rolled over. Are you a princess?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Just all of them.
Abu. You got the hiccups, yes.
Hi. Having fun? Outside?
Are you gonna move away?
Yeah. No, not yet.
When?
Almost. Don't know. Goldilocks got a bowl of porridge. And Papa Bear was too hot. Then she tried Baby Bear, but it's too hot. Then he tried Baby Bears again. She's alright. And the bears come home and see the puss that was gone. And they ate the lot all day long. They go outside in the woods.
Kick those legs. Kick those legs. Good job. You are big and strong. Do you know Kung Fu?